process for the buying of the new year. Good afternoon. We are gathered in this teleconference to talk about the process for the next year purchase. Since we must start the year with good measures and the best disposition. The process that our company will follow for the buying of the next year will be the following. First, the company will analyze how many products they need. Then we will look for suppliers and the most select the most timely. With the lowest price, but to take into account the quality of the product. Before that, we will proceed to ask you about the product, and when we do, we must verify the quality of the products. And finally, next year, use this product without inconvenience. For the following, you must: Diana, check the order for daily. Carlos, speak professionally with suppliers about all issues. Juan, create a customized form for all suppliers. We must keep the business record update and organize. The analysts, they can write the information. This should be their job. Do you have a question until now?